Today we'll talk about roof venting. It sounds kind of counterintuitive. Everybody's talking about insulating your roofs. Well, there's two different areas. So you do want to insulate from your attic space into your house. That's going to affect the temperature between the outside and the inside. Keep it cooler inside during the summer and warmer in the winter. But you do want to vent to the outside. Even in snowy climates, you want to vent the attic space itself. The reason for that is moisture buildup. Moisture from the outside, or even condensation when it's too cold outside and hot inside, can build up on the underside of the roof deck, which is the plywood or skip sheeting, and that water can mold. It can really just dry rot the wood structure, the roof structure over time, and cause lots of damage. We find it all the time when we tear off an old roof. We find all kinds of water damage underneath. So venting is really important. Well, there's primarily two different types of roof vents. One is a low profile, they call it a slant vent from Owens Corning. O'Hagan also makes a really nice one. It's a really low profile roof vent. We can put them up top, we can put it underneath. That creates that flow, and there's a whole code that we follow to make sure we get the adequate number of square inches of roof vent based on attic space. Well, the other one's a little bit of an upgrade, and it's only available for asphalt shingles. It's a VentSure bridge vent. So what this does, you can see back here, this is the roof structure, this is the plywood or skip sheeting. We actually cut a few inches back on either side of every ridge. We put on this VentSure ridge vent, and it's bug proof and waterproof. You know, water can't get underneath there, and bugs can't get up in there anyway. Then we put the ridge cap shingles up on top also, just like you see on a normal roof, and it's real low profile. It's really clean. Once the roof is done, you can't see it. We have pictures on our website if you want to look at it. It's a little bit of an upgrade. It's a little bit more work to cut it out and all that stuff, but does look a lot cleaner and keeps the roof free of these. So if you wanted to do solar, it wouldn't interrupt that. If you just don't want to look at these, because it requires quite a few of these. These though are better than, and I forgot to even mention them because we don't even do them anymore, the old whirlybirds, the old twisty towers. You call them whatever you want. Those did vent the roof, but they were horrible. They look bad, they stick out. There's really not that much venting square inches for each of those two. So we prefer, and we always stick with low profile vent. That's our standard, even though it is a typical upgrade. That's our base venting, and then you can upgrade to a ridge vent. For tile applications, for metal applications, it's a little bit different, but we still use O'Hagan makes a low profile S-tile and flat concrete tile vent. We typically use those for those applications. Hope that helps.